let's check the issue. As you can see, it's giving runtime error. Okay, let's fix it. Open your desired web browser. Now copy the link and paste it to your web browser. Choose your desired language from drop-down menu. Now click on the download button. You need to download both setup files. Now go to the downloads folder. Now run the setup file as administrator. Check the agreements and click install button. As you can see, it's already installed. Let's install the other one. Do the same process. Wait for installing. Okay, let's check it's fixed or not. The error is fixed now. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.